Hi everyone. Today on FIXBOND, we are troubleshooting a titanium 40mm Apple Watch. The main issue with this device was that it completely refused to verify and install the latest software update. After running deep diagnostics, we found a very interesting culprit. The screen had been repaired or replaced previously by someone else. That poor repair job triggered a hardware conflict in the system, completely blocking the update process. To solve this, we carefully removed the screen using our heating and vacuum separation machine. We then repaired the underlying hardware and chip conflict on the display panel itself, without damaging the original screen. That is the core summary of this repair. If you just wanted to know the root cause, your answer is right here. But if you want to watch the complete, step-by-step physical teardown and microscope repair process, the detailed video starts right now with some relaxing background music. Stay tuned.